1990 Topps Hockey wax pack box. This is going to be video 2 of 2. Picked up the box at McNulty Sports Cards. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 where we did 2 packs. We're going to do 2 more packs. They are 14 card packs with 1 glossy card and a stick of gum. Now, unfortunately, that means that one of the cards is going to be lost, so essentially these are going to be 13 card packs with 1 glossy. The gum is going to damage one of the cards. It's usually the case, and it looks like the wax stain may have affected this card on the back. Unfortunately, such is life with the old wax packs. The gum is looking fine. But it did leave its mark on the Craig McTavish card. And the back of the Rod Brind'Amour card has got some wax staining. We're going to toss both of those out. All right, so we're left with 12 cards plus the glossy. All right, our 89-90 team scoring leaders card is going to be a Pierre Turgeon. I guess that's how you'd say his name. Card number 20. Good deal. Oh, very nice. We got a Wayne Gretzky card. This is going to be one of the first 3 cards. And this is going to be, this should be card number 2 with the Oilers. It is card number 2. This card is worth $2.50. There are 3 of these cards. Card number 1 was when he was with Indianapolis. Then card number 2 is when he went to the Oilers. And card number 3 is going to be when he went with Los Angeles. We'll put that up there. Very nice on that. We'll take it. There's Charlie Huddy, Mike Bullard, Troy Loney, Sylvain Lefevre, John Tonelli, Bob Carpenter, Dan Beaupre, Sergio Momesso, Glenn Wesley, Rob Ramage, and finally Igor Larionov. Not bad on those cards. We picked up that Gretzky card with the Oilers, $2.50 card. We'll take it. And then our glossy team scoring leaders card of Pierre Turgeon. We lost 2 cards. The Rod Brind'Amour to some wax staining on the back, and the Craig McTavish card to some gum staining, unfortunately. All right, let's take a look at pack number 2. Pack number 2. Gum is looking fine. Back of this card's got some gum staining. Bruce Driver. That'll get tossed. We've got some wax staining on the Pat Illiniuk card. Alrighty. 89-90 team scoring leaders glossy card. This time is of Mark Messier. And let's see. All right, this is going to be a $1 card. A $1 card. And actually, in the last video, we pulled a Steve Zerman glossy. That's going to be $1.50. So very cool on that. $1 card there. And if you watch the other video, one of the glossy cards we pulled in one of the packs, video 1 of 2, was that Steve Zerman, and that's going to be $1.50. All right, we've got Glenn Anderson. Looks like a New York Islanders team card. Very cool on that. Card number 315. Is that going to be... Oh, alrighty. Neil Sheehy. Pete Peters. That's interesting. All star card of Patrick Roy. Just checking to see if this is on my list. This actually is an all-star card worth $1. This card's going to be worth $1. Frederick Olausson, Kirk Muller, Vladimir Krutov with some gum dust, but that easily comes off. Ed Olsek, Brad Shaw. Wonder if it's in relation to Bill Shaw. Adam Creighton. And finally, top prospect card of Rob Zettler. Yeah, let's see. Nope, nothing there. All right, so we picked up that all-star card of Patrick Roy. It's going to be $1. And our glossy team scoring leaders card of Mike Messier, that's going to be worth $1 as well. Lost 2 cards to some damage. Lost the Pat Illiniuk to some wax staining on the back, and the Bruce Driver to some gum staining. So lost 4 cards. So essentially, that was going to be a double shot of 12 card wax packs plus 1 glossy card from the box. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching and stay safe.